We're going to unbox baby diaper from Shopee. Order from Shopee. I will put the link in the description box kung saan ko na-order tong klase ng diaper na ito. It's actually a mommy baby diaper and yung napili ko is large. 50 pieces na siya. And this large is for 9 to 14 kilos na baby. Ang baby ko ay 11 kilograms. Itong batang ito na 1 year old na. One months. And ito yung sample ng kanilang diaper. Ito ginagamit niya. This is the mommy baby diaper. Ito yung front cover niya. Manipis lang siya. Pero kaya naman niya yung overnight na gamit. And ito naman yung back ng diaper. So, meron siyang makikita mo dito, pag nag-blue na siya, itong line na to, big sabihin nun is may laman na yung diaper. Manipis siya pero dry naman yung loob kahit may laman ng wiwi ng baby. So, maganda siya. It's a 5-star for me. So, kung gusto nyo mag-try, check out na for your babies.